All right, welcome third grade. It is Monday morning. So first thing you're going to do is get out your list of materials I'm about to tell you about. So first you need your template that looks like this. Okay? So you're going to need your template. And that template, you might have an extra one in your packet. I know Miss Johnson said she's going to put some extra templates in there, so double check and see if you have one in your packet. Okay, the one that looks like this. Or you can check and see if you have one on page 109 in your workbook. So check your workbook on page 109. And finally, if you don't have them in either place, you can't find it in your packet and you can't find it in your workbook, you can draw it. And I'll show you how to draw it really quickly, okay? Alright, so your template, pause the video and get out a piece of paper now. Alright, so if you need to draw it, you need to draw 3 rectangles that are big enough so that they're about as big as your finger, tall and wide. You don't want it to be a teeny little rectangle. You won't be able to do the activity if you draw a teeny rectangle. It needs to be nice and big. And you need 3 of them. They can be close together. And they need to be about the same size. So see, mine aren't exactly the same size, but they're about the same size. This one I'm going to go all the way up to the edge. Okay, now do you see I have 3 rectangles that are about the same size. So now I can do the activity just like she will. And she's going to have you draw some lines in here, and you'll see what to do when she tells you in the video. The other thing you're going to need to get out is number 2, your fraction strips. Okay, so go get them now. If you cannot find your fraction strips, you can make your own with her. She helps you make them. Or even if you just want to make them because you haven't made them, you can get a pair of scissors and a scrap piece of paper. So I'm using an old printout that I did, and I can just turn it on its side, and then I'll just cut them into 3 equal pieces, just like that. Let's see if I can grab my scissors. Here, hang on. Tom, my helper, would you please go over and hand me those scissors? I didn't realize they were so far away. Thank you. All right, if whenever you're using scissors, it's a good idea to maybe ask for some help, just like Tom gave me some help. Okay, and then using 2 hands, make sure you put 1 hand on your paper, but right now I'm holding my phone with it. You're going to cut all the way up so that you have 3 long strips. All right, so you need your template and your fraction strips. If you don't have your fraction strips, you can make your own, or if you just want to do the fraction strips with her, you can make your own. All right, so now it's time for you to stop this video and click on the Great Minds Math video on Monday. I'll see you guys later in my video where I help you guys with the work. Bye!